Think Toyota's the only brand that nails safety and value? Think again. Believe it or not, several brands are stepping up and openly challenging Toyota's dominance. It was about time, if you ask us. So in this video, we will discuss automakers outperforming Toyota in critical areas such as crash test ratings, long-term durability, and cutting-edge driver assistance technology. No nostalgia, no brand loyalty, BS. Just the real game changers rewriting the rules of safety. Let's go. Number 10, Chevrolet. Car enthusiasts know that Chevrolet is quietly outmaneuvering Toyota where it matters most: safety. For instance, models like Silverado, 2500 HD, Equinox, Blazer, and Trailblazer all boast a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. In fact, Chevy doesn't mess around with safety. Nearly every model comes standard with Chevrolet Safety Assist, a suite of features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and forward collision alerts. With Toyota, you'll often pay extra for those. Then there are Chevrolet's electric vehicles, like the Bolt EUV, where the automaker incorporates reinforced battery structures and multi-angle camera systems that exceed the safety frameworks of Toyota's hybrid offerings like RAV4 Hybrid. And if you're into trucks and SUVs, Chevy's got Toyota beat. There is Silverado's available 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, delivering best-in-class torque and towing capacity, far surpassing the Toyota Tundra's capabilities. Then there is the Suburban's rugged chassis and available 4-wheel drive, making it a beast in tough conditions. By the way, J.D. Power gave the Chevy Suburban a predicted reliability score of 91 out of 100. Up next is the world's third-largest automaker, a brand that has Toyota playing catch-up. Number 9, Hyundai. Hyundai has redefined value in the automotive world by pairing accessible pricing with industry-leading safety technology, long-term durability, and warranty coverage that decisively outperforms many of Toyota's offerings. The brand's Hyundai SmartSense suite comes standard across nearly all models, offering features like forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and junction turning detection, a system that alerts drivers to cross traffic when making turns, a feature absent in most Toyota vehicles. For instance, the Palisade, Hyundai's flagship midsize SUV, further elevates safety with vehicle exit warning, which prevents doors from opening into approaching traffic, and rear occupant alert, innovations Toyota's Highlander lacks even in premium trims. Consequently, both the Palisade and Tucson compact SUV earned NHTSA 5-star overall safety ratings, with the Tucson excelling in side impact and rollover tests, categories where the Toyota RAV4 falls short due to less rigid structural engineering. In addition, Hyundai's 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty is a game-changer, which practically laughs at Toyota's powertrain coverage of 5 years or 60,000 miles. This confidence comes from Hyundai's hot-stamped ultra-high-strength steel frames, which boost crashworthiness and resist corrosion. Number 8, Mazda. There's something beautiful about how Mazda has mastered the art of walking the fine line between mainstream and luxury. It's not a high-end brand, but with its premium cabins, advanced safety tech, and bang-for-your-buck value, it sure knows how to win its customers. Ranked among the top in Consumer Reports reliability surveys, Mazda's SkyActiv technology ensures rigid body structures, ultra-high-strength steel frames, and optimized crash energy dispersion. This gives models like the CX-5 SUV and Mazda 3 sedan an edge over Toyota's RAV4 and Corolla in crash tests, especially in small overlap front and side impact scenarios. Moreover, Mazda's iActive Sense safety suite, standard on nearly all trims, includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and driver attention monitoring. The system's radar and camera calibration excel in low visibility conditions, reacting faster to sudden obstacles than Toyota Safety Sense. Even the sporty MX-5 Miata, a lightweight roadster, boasts a 4-star NHTSA rating, proving Mazda's commitment to safety in a segment Toyota avoids entirely. Add in luxury-like interiors, think Napa leather and Bose audio in mid-tier trims, and the intuitive Mazda Connect system, and Mazda delivers sophistication Toyota typically reserves for Lexus. Next up is a car brand that proudly carries the German seal of excellence, synonymous with top-tier safety, reliability, and unmatched luxury. Number 7, BMW. BMW consistently ranks high in safety ratings for all the right reasons. Take the BMW Driving Assistant Professional Suite, available on models like the X5 SUV and 3 Series sedan. It includes adaptive cruise control with stop and go, cross-traffic warning, emergency lane change assist, and more. Features that outperform Toyota safety sense. BMW's structural integrity is next level as well. The X5, an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus winner, features a carbon fiber reinforced chassis and aluminum body, earning a 5-star NHTSA rating and beating the Toyota Highlander in crash tests. Durability? BMW's use of corrosion-resistant materials like hot-dip galvanized steel ensures longevity in harsh conditions. Models like the 5 Series and X7 also rank high in J.D. Power dependability studies, rivaling Toyota's reliability while delivering superior driving dynamics. BMW also pioneers groundbreaking safety tech Toyota can't match, like night vision with pedestrian and animal detection, laser light headlights illuminating up to 600 meters, and parking assistant professional, which automates complex maneuvers via smartphone. Needless to say, BMW creates a proactive safety net Toyota simply can't replicate. Number 6. Volvo. It's unsurprising that the Volvo brand always ranks among the top automakers when it comes to innovation and safety. From inventing the 3-point seatbelt to perfecting crash protection, Volvo's legacy is unmatched. Take the XC90 SUV. It's a 5-star NHTSA-rated IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus winner, thanks to its boron-reinforced steel cage, energy-absorbing crumple zones, and standard pilot assist semi-autonomous driving. Every Volvo also comes with city safety, which includes automatic emergency braking, pedestrian, cyclist detection, and intersection collision mitigation. Features Toyota still can't match in responsiveness, especially in low-light or urban scenarios. The S60 sedan and V60 wagon further prove Volvo's dominance, outperforming Toyota's Camry and Corolla in crash tests. And the V60 cross-country? Its reinforced underbody and AWD system make it tougher off-road than the RAV4. And that's not all. Volvo's SPA platform uses ultra-high-strength steel and corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring durability that rivals and often beats Toyota's reliability. Add in tech like runoff road mitigation and BLIS with cross-traffic alerts, and Volvo's safety systems feel more intuitive than Toyota's. Here's a fun fact for you. The 1966 Volvo 1800S currently holds the world record for the longest distance traveled in a personal car. Any guesses? An incredible 3,250,257 miles in 52 years. Volvo's safety game is tough to beat, but wait until you see the last brand on our list that proves you don't need a Toyota badge for reliability, safety, or style. Number 5. Acura. While Acura ranks slightly lower than Toyota in Consumer Reports reliability ratings, it more than makes up for it with luxury, cutting-edge safety, and performance that Toyota fails to deliver across all models. As Honda's premium division, Acura takes everything you love about Honda and wraps it in a package that feels sleek, sophisticated, and downright impressive. Let's start with safety. Acura Watch, standard on every model, is a game changer. It includes collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, and traffic sign recognition, features that outperform Toyota safety sense in real-world scenarios, especially during sudden stops or tricky lane changes. Models like the MDX SUV and TLX sedan are IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus winners, excelling in small overlap front crashes and side impact tests where Toyota's Highlander and Camry sometimes fall short. One of the standout innovations in Acura's safety technology is the next-generation advanced compatibility engineering body structure, which is designed to enhance occupant protection and improve crash compatibility. When it comes to durability, Acura's reputation is rock solid. It's backed by J.D. Power awards for dependability, and then you get a 6 years or 70,000-mile powertrain warranty that smashes Toyota's powertrain warranty of 5 years of 60,000 miles. And let's not forget Acura's super handling all-wheel drive, standard on higher trims. It's not just about traction, it's about optimizing performance in extreme conditions while reducing wear on drivetrain components. Acura also leads in tech and luxury. The true touchpad interface, paired with a crisp 10.2-inch display, feels futuristic, while Traffic Jam Assist offers semi-autonomous driving in congested scenarios, a feature Toyota reserves for its pricier Lexus lineup. Number 4. Kia. We say that Kia is quietly leaving Toyota in the dust when it comes to safety, tech, and value. You see, Kia's dedication to safety is pretty obvious to notice in the form of its DriveWise suite of advanced driver assistance systems, We are talking about ADAS offered as standard or widely available across Kia's lineup. Features like forward collision avoidance assist, FCA, lane following assist, LFA, and blind spot collision avoidance are seamlessly integrated into popular models such as the Telluride and Sorento, vehicles that consistently earn IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus and 5-star NHTSA ratings. By the way, the 2025 Kia EV9 has also won the Top Safety Pick Plus award. By contrast, Toyota's Safety Sense package, while robust, often lacks the same responsiveness in real-world testing and detection and adaptive cruise control performance. Kia isn't just competing with Toyota or other brands in safety and innovation, it is often excelling them. We have the prime example of Telluride. Its rugged steel frame and advanced airbags ace crash tests compared to Toyota Highlander. On the other hand, Kia has a hybrid range that is safer and more stable than Toyota's RAV4 Prime. We're talking about Sportage, Sorento, Carnival, and Niro. And how can we forget that Kia offers one of the best warranties in the industry, with bumper-to-bumper and powertrain coverage that matches the market's leaders like Toyota. Kia provides 5 years or 60,000 miles of basic coverage and 10 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain protection. Before we unveil the final 3 brands, we'd appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us bring you more insights on the best vehicles for safety, value, and performance. Number 3, Honda. Honda is the quiet overachiever of the automotive world, giving Toyota a run for its money with a mix of reliability, safety, and driving excitement, often at a better price. While Honda trails just behind Toyota in Consumer Reports reliability rankings, it makes up ground with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety tech that comes standard on nearly every 2023 model. Think collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist, features Toyota often reserves for pricier trims. Models like the CR-V and Accord are IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus winners, outperforming the RAV4 and Camry in crash tests and pedestrian avoidance systems. And if you need any other confirmation, Honda has 5 of its models winning the Top Safety Pick awards. There is a 2025 Honda Civic hatchback and sedan, Honda Accord, Honda HR-V, and Honda Pilot SUV. But Honda isn't just about safety. It's about engines that rack up miles without anything more than regular maintenance and care. By the way, the typical lifespan of a Honda car is about 200,000 miles. But we know that many Honda models are known to outlast their owners' wildest expectations. And when it comes to tech, Honda pulls ahead with features like the Honda Link infotainment system, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, something Toyota often locks behind higher trims. Then there's Honda's advanced compatibility engineering, ACE body structure, which enhances crash protection, and the acoustic vehicle alerting system in hybrids, making them safer for pedestrians. Add in sportier handling across the lineup and class-leading resale value, and it's clear, Honda combines safety, efficiency, and driving fun in ways that gives Toyota a tough competition. Number 2, Lexus. Ranked number 2 in Consumer Reports reliability and safety rankings, Lexus takes everything you love about Toyota and dials it up 10 or even 20 times. Think of it as Toyota, but with a luxury twist, cutting-edge safety, whisper-quiet performance, and craftsmanship that feels next level. Let's start with safety. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 is a standout, offering features like proactive driving assist, which anticipates collisions before they happen, and curve adaptive headlights, tech you won't find in most Toyotas. Flagship models like the LS sedan and RX SUV are IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus winners, outperforming Toyota's Avalon and Highlander in crash tests, especially in frontal offset and side impact protection. But Lexus isn't just about safety, it's about performance too. For instance, the RX Hybrid and NX plug-in hybrid are widely praised for delivering smoother and quieter rides than many of Toyota's hybrid offerings. Lexus also goes the extra mile with passive safety, using ultra-high-strength steel passenger cages and multi-stage airbags that surpass Toyota's standard safety structures. And while both brands share a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, Lexus sweetens the deal with perks like complimentary maintenance after every 2 years or 25,000 miles and Lexus Inform remote emergency services. Number 1, Subaru. Topping Consumer Reports rankings for predicted reliability and safety, Subaru sets a gold standard in dependability while delivering safety features that make Toyota look outdated, starting with their symmetrical all-wheel drive, which comes standard on nearly every model except the BRZ. This isn't just a checkbox feature, It's a game changer for stability and control, whether you're driving through a snowstorm or tackling a dirt road. Toyota, meanwhile, often charges extra for AWD, and most of their lineup sticks to front-wheel drive, which just doesn't measure up. Then there's Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, standard on most trims. It's packed with features like adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, and lane keeping assist, tools that not only match but often outperform Toyota's safety sense, especially in real-world scenarios like icy roads or sudden stops. Models like the Outback and Forester are IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus winners, with 5-star NHTSA ratings that beat the RAV4 and Highlander in crash tests and rollover prevention. By the way, Subaru Solterra and Ascent SUVs have won Top Safety Pick Plus awards for 2025. But where Subaru really shines is in its adventure-ready DNA. The Outback Wilderness and Crosstrek are built for the wild, with higher ground clearance, reinforced underbody protection, and torque vectoring systems that make off-roading a breeze. And honestly, Toyota's less rugged designs and softer suspensions can't keep up. And let's not forget Subaru's Boxer engines. Their low center of gravity not only improves handling, but also reduces rollover risks, a huge safety advantage over Toyota's taller, less balanced SUVs. Subaru also steps ahead with innovative tech like driver-focused distraction mitigation, which keeps an eye on your alertness, and Starlink safety and security, which connects you to emergency services if things go south. Add in class-leading resale value, standard AWD, and a reputation for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles, and it's clear, Subaru isn't just keeping up with Toyota, it's setting a higher standard. That's all for today. Tap the screen for more content like this. See you in the next one.